Hello friends, welcome again in Heartbeato. Today I'm here with my new topic mental health and doodles. And yeah, a chocolate bar is also with me. It's good to have chocolate when you are bored or tired. It really gives you energy. And also it's a mood refresher. It really works on your mental health and a great friend of your heart. As you can see, there are so many things about chocolate. So now, let's have a bite on your chocolate bar and take your pencil for doodling. Now here comes the main point, doodles. A doodle is a drawing made while a person's attention is otherwise occupied. So, don't be worried about your doodle. Just draw whatever comes in your mind. There is no right, no wrong. I'm gonna draw a branch full of cherry blossoms. I really love them, though I never get a chance to see them by my HD eyes. I live in India and it's a far away thing for me now, but I think in near future I'm gonna see them through my eyes. I'm just wishing on a star. Okay, so let's cover the topic mental health and doodles. I fast forward the video cause there is nothing important. Doodles are made with random drawings and you can draw whatever your heart wants you to draw. And maybe your heart wants to draw something different from mine. But there's a magic. Doodles can reveal information about your personality because it allows your brain to improve its psychological resilience. I have made a chart about it and put it on the tail end of the video, so don't worry, you will have them at the end. And here's a drop of elixir of life. You know, it's a drink that can cure every kind of illness, but ancient alchemists only had the elixir of life and the philosopher's stone. So, if you want it, you can only find it from an alchemist. It's just my thought of doodling that the elixir of life is made with every necessity of the universe, like the sun, moon, stars, trees, butterflies, water, and a cute rainbow. So, I think I'm almost done with my sketch. So, I can say doodles are just simple drawings that can have a concrete meaning, and it also just be composed of random and abstract lines. You know, there's a common question about doodles. Is doodling good for your brain? Multiple theories of cognitive function suggest that the answer is yes. It helps people to express their emotions and relieves anxiety. So, if you do doodles, you are benefited. But that's not the end, there's more benefits. For example, you can think about two persons, one who does doodles and the other who doesn't doodle. Now, in a walk, person A can concentrate more than person B. And also, person A can have a happy mood and stress-free life rather than person B. But doodles are not only one, there is also other ways to concentrate in your walk. But believe me, you can gain a good mental health if you do doodles. So, my sketch is complete. Let's have a look. So now is the time for coloring the doodle. So take your brushes and let's color with me. But as I told you before that doodle can reveal something about your personality, you can get example in this case. Like me, if you draw circles, you are loving and honest. If you draw hearts, you are a romantic person, and for stars, you are ambitious. And if you draw leaves, you are a great lover of nature. And you can think that why I have drawn green leaves in the cherry blossom tree, because it's just a mirror image of nature. So I have just tried to make every kind of possible thing of nature in one picture. That's why I have drawn the sakura, and the sakura means cherry blossom, and the green leaves in one branch. And also I love the rainbow and the butterflies. I have also drawn some aura around the elixir of life, so you can assume it as a water drop. And I'm done with my doodle. So it's just a thing created from my own thoughts. Hope you guys like our video, and if you does, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and put the bell icon on. And as I promised, here is the chart. So then, bye guys, see you later.